The Shark Tank-winning brand Hydroviv has built a reputation for its customizable under-sink water filters. But did you know they also offer a shower filter? This product claims to tackle chlorine and disinfection byproducts, which can wreak havoc on your hair and skin. However, Hydroviv's shower filter isn't NSF 177 certified or lab tested, which raises questions about its claims. In this video, we'll dig into the Hydroviv shower filter's performance, ease of installation, and maintenance to determine whether it's a worthy addition to your bathroom. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, contaminant removal. Hydroviv shower filters use catalytic carbon and KDF55 media to remove chlorine and odors caused by sulfur and volatile organic compounds. While these claims sound impressive, the filter lacks NSF 177 certification and has not been lab tested independently like its competitors. However, customer reviews of Hydroviv frequently mention noticeable improvements in hair softness and reduced skin irritation, suggesting the filter does have some impact. It's also worth noting that, unlike Hydroviv's under-sink systems, the shower filter isn't customized for your feed water. Next up, ease of installation and maintenance. Installing the Hydroviv shower filter is straightforward and doesn't require professional help. All you need is an adjustable wrench and the Teflon tape that comes with the product. The filter is compatible with standard shower heads, including handheld wand designs. After installation, you'll need to run water through the filter to flush out any residual activated carbon powder, which may initially appear as black particles. This is completely normal and only occurs during the first few uses. One of the benefits of this filter is that it doesn't noticeably affect water pressure, making it a seamless addition to your shower routine. The shower filter isn't bulky too. However, one significant drawback is the cost of replacement filters. Each cartridge lasts 6 to 9 months and costs $75 if you subscribe to Hydroviv's replacement program. This is substantially more expensive than alternatives like Aqua Bliss or Culligan, which offers replacement cartridges for $36 annually. Although replacing the filter is easy thanks to the detailed guides available online. Finally, let's talk about warranty and customer support. Hydroviv offers a 90-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty for its shower filters. While these policies sound reassuring, there are reports of mixed customer service experiences. Some users have faced delays in getting responses for their issues, and there are claims that Hydroviv has deleted negative reviews from their website, raising concerns about transparency and trustworthiness. But others did get free replacements when their shower filter didn't fit properly. So it's a hit or miss, I guess. With all said and done, here's our key takeaway. While the Hydroviv shower filter performs decently in reducing chlorine, its lack of certifications and expensive filter replacement costs make it less competitive compared to alternatives like Aqua Bliss or Culligan. So check out this video for best shower filters in 2025 that are certified and budget-friendly.